What's up everyone? Join me for a nice little rip up Blindside today. It's a nice little solo ride. So let's get out there and have some fun. Okay, I just rode halfway up this trail and I realized I was not recording any of it. So I turned around, come back down, let's do it again. It's pretty slippery, it's pretty wet. A lot of rain last week, so it's gonna be fun. Bet you this time I'm gonna go so bad, but let's just go for it again. Inside coming down this trail, but I think I've only gone on the outside every time I go up. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think's easier. I was already complaining the first time up that my arms are already sore. Can confirm, still sore. Almost 2 weeks without a ride. Your body feels it. Whee! Another little wee? Let's see if I go in this corner. Oh, not yet. This corner. I did that much cleaner the first time. I know you won't believe me, but I did. That time was a little dirty. Still better than usual though, to be honest. It's a little slick. Pain to saw. This tree right here, this is a notorious tree. My last video, which I'll post right here, I hit this damn tree and I ended up down there all alone. That was not fun. And I plan not to hit this tree again, but it's probably gonna happen. no! Hit the edge. I got stuck just here before, and this is where I realized that I wasn't recording. So, get this damn rock out of the way. Oh yeah! Oh no! Yeah, I'm not game enough to go up that rock yet. Honestly, it's probably not that bad. But nah, not for me. Woohoo. These puddles, hate these puddles. Never know what's lurking beneath them. Some sort of rock, some roots. End up just eating shit. Alright guys. That one got me. First time that one's actually gotten me, to be honest with you. Alright, let's keep going. Wait. This is actually my first black trail I did. Did it with my buddy Oliver. And I think it's a pretty easy black. I think it's great to be your first black trail. So if anyone's looking to kind of get into a harder trail, I would recommend this trail, Blindside. It's got a couple features there, but it's a really good learning point, and I come here a lot just to kind of see my progression. So I would recommend coming out here and giving this trail a crack. Except for this spot always gets me. Yep. Always gets me. Not supposed to be facing that way. Okay, did you guys see that? That was kind of sick. That wasn't. Right side looks kind of daunting, but honestly it's the easiest way up. Left, it's so janky and you gotta get up so many little lips on the rocks. It's just, honestly, it's so much harder. So I recommend, if you're new like me even, go for this right side. Once you get it, you'll realize that, hey, this is actually easier than it looks, and it's a lot funner going that way, in my opinion. So let's see if I can do it today. Almost didn't make it, I don't know what. Almost did it. You know what? Every time I try this outside line, and every time I can't get it. I'm doing something wrong. This rock right here is gonna be an enemy. Okay, I got it. Oh! Wet roots, yet I go the route that I go over roots. What idiot. Whoa. Look at these mushrooms. Dude, what the heck? Oh my god, look at them all. I don't know anything about mushroom, guys, but please tell me, what are these? It looks like blood. It looks like you can't eat that. Holy crap, they're everywhere. There's rock there. There's rock there. Rock slipping. Alright guys, well, thanks for coming along for a little morning ride with me. I like going on these little solo rides. Nice, quick, one trail sort of thing. So don't forget to like, subscribe. You know what to do. Helps me. I can put out some more videos if you even like them. And see you next time. Ciao.